Hello, my name is Bree or Brianna. I go by Vegan Bree on this channel because I'm vegan, and Brianna people mispronounce. I mostly talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. I'm driving out of the parking garage from work, starting off this Friday, or ending my Friday, going home, and we're going to Annapolis just to walk around, and I won't be there one time. We're definitely going to Trader Joe's because obviously we're close to Trader Joe's, so that's where we're going. So I'm excited to walk around. We just had Livy this weekend, but she's been doing really good with potty training. More pee-pees than poo-poos, for sure. That's fine. So yeah. Shark Tank, the other guy made his popcorn, and Livy gets the plate out of her little drawer over there. We bought a whole thing for the kids, like their silverware, their utensils, their plates and bowls, and then their cups. Ready? What store are we going to be? Here we go. Oh, hold on. I like Play-Doh today. Play-Doh today? I like Play-Doh. Oh, the fox. The rabbit. Ready? The little red hen. I must bake cupcakes for my grand opening today, called Little Red Hen. Who will help me by going to the store for an hour? No way, said Fox. As if, said Crocodile. Snored. Are you done? There. Snored Hedgehog. So the Little Red Hen did it herself. Are you ready to go night-night? Okay, go night-night. Okay.
Alright, night-night.
Oh, you want me to continue reading? I'm thinking of Mamma Mia. Okay, wait, we have to go back. So the Little Red Hen did it herself. I forgot the batter for my batter. I forgot the butter for my batter. Who will help me get the butter? Asked Little Red Hen. I know, is that a fox? No way, said Fox. As Ab. Oh, so Little Red Hen did it herself. I forgot to get sugar for my frosting. Okay, where I live? Livy! Come here.
Alright.
And we were gonna go to Annapolis, but then it's kind of cold, so possibly we are at Arundel Mills. Just so happens I have the best husband in the world. Hi, Liv. Liv, watch Big Hero 6 for the 100th time. You had the hiccups. And you took your socks off. And you put it back on. Thank you, Liv. This is crazy. There's a Bass Pro. There's a medieval times. There is a casino, a movie theater, Dave & Buster's. What else? It's kind of weird. My friend works right there at Ulta. Right there. Well, I've never seen that. They're reusable. They're like throwing them away. And then like, look. I've never seen this black. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. I don't know. It was pretty cool. This is the Ulta my friend works at. She's not going to see it yet. Yeah, I've never seen a medieval store. It's good. What does it taste like?
It might not, but it might have butter in it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think that?
Nope. It's canola oil. It's good.
Okay. Oh, it makes it because of the texture?
Yeah, well,
oh.
Sauce with butter.
Okay, well, it must not be. This is is huge, babe. It's literally like a movie theater in, besides like Tyson, I've never seen this before. It's crazy. Strawberry banana smoothie. Mommy got the ginger and greens or something. Father's a kava, the place we were gonna go to. Your house already had reservations, so we're hangry. That's so good. She's obsessed with her smoothie. I have not seen a Jamba Juice outside of, I went to the airport at Texas, like maybe Dallas, and then in California. We don't have them here. And I don't really go get smoothies, I usually make them, but make toddlers happy, you get the little thing. Right, Demi? You've been so good. You've been a good girl. And that's actually the only thing we got, because Rob did get a hot sauce, because he loves hot sauces. So, there's a hot sauce place. This is the most interesting mall I've ever been to. I'm so used to, like, growing up. You find it? Okay. We're going to Cheesecake Factory. My antidepressant came in. I'm waiting for this for over a week. Ugh. And then it's kind of funny. This is in Shark Tank. Euphoria. Look. Yeah! Let's put it down. Let's put it downstairs. And then we got rice, French fries. Got like a top on and my pajama pants on bottom. Golden socks. What is your least favorite part of laundry? I know, like, does anyone actually like laundry? I also, if you have any advice, I keep having my dog, we wash our clothes, okay? And then we have this, like, gross, but it's just her dog hair. She's just a hattie lady. So yeah, folding clothes because we were out today, and we get behind really quickly around here because we're not really home a lot, except for, like, you know, obviously at night and the weekends, but that's like about it. Like, just a few hours too, because we both get home around like 6, even though we get off at 4:30, and then we try to eat, you know, pretty soon after getting home. I think I really want to get into more like slow cooking and stuff like that. So I'm gonna look at the cookbook tomorrow. I've been saying that, but I really need to, because we canceled we skipped Hungry for a couple weeks just to save a little bit of money, because it's not cheap. I mean, like, it's just more of like, I think of subscription boxes. I think with subscription boxes, it's more about the convenience, obviously, but it's like nice not having to think about, like, it's nice not having to think about what you're gonna make. Like, that's definitely that's definitely something I really enjoy about it. So, but we're gonna go grocery shopping, as well as I'm gonna do some grocery store pickups, most likely, because those are just way easier. Liv is pretty good about when we go into stores, but it's still it is way easier just picking up groceries, especially if you're gonna go to like multiple places. So yeah, we were gonna go to Trader Joe's. I know I've been like all over the place. That is just how sometimes things go for you. So yeah, I was gonna go to Trader Joe's, but we don't have any Trader Joe's close to us. It was still about 45 minutes out, so it wasn't close. But the next time I see my mom or my dad in Reston or in Ashburn, I will go, or maybe I'll go to Towson. I don't know, even though it's not close to my work. It's about, I think, 30-ish, 40 minutes, and then it's the other way, and then I have to drive that back to my house. So yeah, but I really want to go to Trader Joe's. I miss it so. I miss living in Trader Joe's so much. I know it might sound silly, but I had wanted one where we lived for a long time, and then it finally came, and now we left. And then also we had a Metro. We had been told that we were going to get Metro for a long time, and then we leave, and then it's there. It's like, and then I work in a courthouse now, and one of the courthouses that I work in is now, I would have had a 15-minute commute instead of an over an hour commute. So, but it was expensive where we lived, and it's only going up. So, and we wanted to buy a house. So yeah, I'm gonna fold this laundry and then get ready to go to bed, and then maybe watch some more Sex Life. I know it's kind of a scandalous show, but whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna say that I don't. I mean, like, I don't do anything wrong with it. We're all adults here, right? It's really loud doing my videos. I know you're not liking this. Your mom is not holding both hands. Yeah. I'm gonna use it every vlog. Little woo, little wee. Maybe I'll use it every video. We can do a Willy cameo. Hi, Asa. And hi, Stella. It's the Barnyard. Oh my God. What in the world? You tipped over your litter box. Girl. You need to change your diaper. You're silly. I got the pee down, but we don't have the poo-poo down. Okay. Now you bring up the wipes. Hi, curly girl. Right. She puts all these things. Uh-huh. You gonna open the castle? Okay, close it. She likes things the way she likes them. And she'll put things back too. She doesn't like it that way. Very particular, but you like things a certain way, huh? Now put it down nicely. You want your diaper? Yeah?
Daddy.
Daddy's coming.
What?
Daddy's coming. I don't know if it's just a Maryland thing. It looks kind of like a Harris Teeter. That's what I'm reminded by. This brand. This right here. Saw this at our other grocery store, and it was like $2 more.
Welcome. Your card is $11.99. $4.99. $2.99. Place your item in the bagging area.
Rob, what was your record?
$2.69.
I was saying all the.
Item to purchase. Key in item 4. 2. Enter your item.
Are you helping Daddy? Do you want to help?
Your item in the bag.
Here.
$11.99.
You hand this to Daddy?
Place your item in the bagging area.
Ready?
Key in item 0.
You memorize it?
Banana to the bag.
You memorize the code?
25. Place your item in the bagging area.
Okay, wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy.
$4.79.
You want to help? Winnie the Pooh? I love her hair. Little ringlets, just a lot of curls. Yeah, this recipe was not accurate. It was not 325 for 40 minutes at all, or even 45 minutes. I put these in for over an hour, and my husband put you put it on. What temperature did you put it on? Broiler. Yeah, and then I read another recipe that was like 425 for 20 minutes, like, which makes more sense. So I'm hoping that they look crispy, but I've checked them like 4 times.
Some of them are, and some of them aren't.
I know. And I did dry them really, really, really well. I did the olive oil, I did paprika, I did everything but the leftovers.
Yeah, they're still not.
Yeah, I don't know. We're not going to burn them anymore, though. You know?
We're gonna have to do them in the Instapot.
Yeah, they probably look better than Spot, you're right. Those steaks were so good, the vegan steaks. It's just... I had you try to do another chore. I had you do another honey-do list item, but it doesn't work.
Tried.
It's getting returned. Amazon does really good returns. Right, Elsa? Elsa says everything I bought her online has been wonderful. Yeah. Oh my god, the man of the hour. Okay, kids' underwear, of course. Well, you're the star. You're the star. You're so cute.
No, they're not even close.
Oh my gosh, you're handsome.
They got another hour.
I know. Oh, you give mommy a kiss? Did you give mommy a kiss? Mommy loves you. Oh, oh my goodness. Yes, I baby talk to this little cat, Elsa and Stella, because they don't understand me if I don't. Love you.
They got another hour.
Mama loves you. Thank you for the kiss, little man. Thank you for the kiss, little boy. A cutie pie. Oh my gosh, you're so handsome. So these are not as crispy as I wanted them to be. Next time I'm gonna crank up the heat and do another one because 350 is like for baking. And these were like drying them out is really hard. Some of them are definitely harder than others. But yeah, anyway, hope everyone just wanted to close it out. They're still really good. But wanted to close it out and say thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone had a good weekend, whatever day you're watching this. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.